Very cold, chilly. Good morning to everybody. Well, I'm sure you can make out that this is India. I want to show you what's been happening very recently and likely for the next 1 week. Because why are the WDs not coming here the way people were expecting? And then someone said, how come we're having snowfall here when no WD is coming? I want to show you that the weather of India, when you look at the world, there is nothing that happens in isolation over any part or in any country. The weather over India gets affected by what is happening across here, what is happening in this region, and what is happening over Russia or Europe. Now, this is BBC weather, and these are the isobars, so you can see the circulation and the pressures or whatever. Now, I'm going to play this BBC weather video. Now, this will keep on playing on its own for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 days. Now, if you notice, there is a high pressure here. There's another high pressure here, low pressure here. Now, if you notice what's happening here, you see this wave from the Mediterranean, whatever these systems formed, which bring snow, are heading almost in this direction because of the circulation of this high, which is clockwise, and the circulation of the lows, which is anti-clockwise. These should have been coming over India because these are forming out here. They go over they pick up moisture from the Black Sea and these other areas, and sometimes from the North Arabian Sea, and then they bring moisture from here and it pours over the Himalayas and brings snowfall, especially to the northern Himalayas, over Kashmir and all, Uttarakhand and all that, and all the way to the northeast. So if you notice, nothing seems to be moving this way. Maybe some amount of moisture at a very high level goes across, doesn't bring any snow. But look at this part. There is generally a kind of a streak that goes in this direction. Sometimes it is here, sometimes it is here. It picks up moisture from these regions and then it goes directly. You can see this blue part here, and it goes directly and brings snowfall here. So this snowfall that's going to come over us around Monday or Tuesday, around the 5th of January, is because of these interaction of these circulations, and it is bringing in the moisture from the Arabian Sea directly to the Himalayas. So this snowfall is not because of a consequence of a western disturbance. If you see, nothing has moved across, which we generally see, and you must have seen in some of my videos I have been posting earlier also. So this is what is happening. Now, these lows and highs and everything that's happening in Russia, over Tibet, over Europe, they will keep on interacting with each other, and then the directions of the winds will change. And then finally, I guess in January sometime, we will start getting the good WDs, which bring very extensive snowfall. So this snowfall that was brought because of this incursion of moisture. You can see out here also this grayish part. These are all moisture clouds over the northern Himalayas. Is short-lived. It's about 2 days. So already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till Wednesday. 6 days, nothing seems to be moving out here. So I expect that even if now something was formed here, then another from Wednesday onwards, if this system was to move towards us, so it'll take 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days. So another 5 days add to this. 6 plus 5, or make it 4 to be on the safe side. Doesn't look like for another 10 days there's any WD approaching from here. So we are lucky that whatever interaction of the weather systems took place out in these regions of the world, that there was a moisture incursion, and Wednesday rather, around 5th, we will have this snowfall taking place just in northern part of the Himalayas, over Jammu and Kashmir and maybe even Himachal, I beg your pardon, and Uttarakhand. So that's it for now. Keep a check on the system. We'll see whether it intensifies or reduces or what happens to it. But this is what is happening right now. Take care, guys. All the best.